The 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu SS is one of those cars that instantly transports you back to the golden age of American muscle. This was the final year of the second-generation Chevelle, and while emissions regulations and insurance costs were starting to squeeze the muscle car scene, the Malibu SS still had plenty of style, attitude, and performance to keep it in the spotlight. Walking up to the '72 Chevelle Malibu SS, the first thing you notice is the aggressive front end. The dual headlights sit neatly in their bezels, flanking a split grille that's both clean and purposeful. For 1972, Chevrolet gave the Chevelle a slightly more squared-off look compared to previous years, but it still kept those muscular lines running down the sides. The sculpted fenders and long hood set the tone for what's under the skin, and the SS badges are placed just right, reminding you that this isn't just a regular Malibu. Depending on the trim and options, you could have bold stripe packages, vinyl roofs, and a choice of some really vibrant early '70s colors. From cranberry red to placer gold, these cars could look elegant or downright menacing. The chrome bumpers, polished trim, and the slight flare of the rear quarter panels give it that perfect balance of style and muscle. The stance of the car is a big part of its presence. Many Malibu SS models came with rally wheels or 5-spoke mag-style designs, wrapped in raised white leather tires that really set off the period look. The 1972 model year also carried over the sleek fastback-style roofline on the Sport Coupe, which still looks fantastic today. It's a shape that says speed even when it's standing still. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that perfectly captures early '70s American design. This isn't a stripped-out racer, it's comfortable and surprisingly spacious for a two-door. The wide bench seats or optional bucket seats, depending on how it was ordered, are upholstered in durable vinyl with patterns that scream vintage charm. The dashboard layout is straightforward, with big, easy-to-read gauges right in front of the driver. The SS package often included a sportier gauge cluster with a tachometer, which was a nice touch for performance-minded buyers. The steering wheel is large by modern standards, but it gives you that feeling of control over a big, powerful machine. Controls are simple, just the essentials, with push-button radio, basic ventilation, and maybe air conditioning if the original buyer ticked that box. The interior color choices were just as bold as the exterior, ranging from conservative blacks and beiges to bright blues, greens, and even saddle tones. The rear seat is roomy enough to actually carry adults, and the trunk space is generous, making the Chevelle a legitimate road trip car, not just a weekend toy. Under the hood is where things get exciting. The 1972 Malibu SS could be equipped with a range of V8 engines, from the solid 307 cubic inch small block T,